In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use VLOOKUP in Google Sheets, a powerful tool for anyone who wants to streamline their data management process. Whether you're trying to pull data from one table to another or simply tidying up your spreadsheets for clarity, VLOOKUP can be immensely helpful. So let's get started. First, begin by opening a Google Sheet. If you don't have a pre-existing one, you can easily create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank option once you've logged into your Google account. This is your workspace, and it's where all the magic is going to happen. If your data is not already in the sheet, take a moment to import or enter the data you plan to use for your VLOOKUP function. Having your data well organized will save you time and allow for more efficient searching. Next, let's navigate to cell I2 on your spreadsheet. This is where you will input the VLOOKUP formula. The cell location may vary depending on your data layout, but make sure you click into a cell that's aligned with your intended output. Clicking directly into the cell I2 is crucial because the VLOOKUP formula will return the corresponding results right there. Now, let's dive deeper into setting up the formula itself. Now, you'll want to carefully type in the formula. VLOOKUP G2, a $2, $11, X match, H2, a $1, a $1, false. This is where the VLOOKUP function comes into play. By inserting it, you're instructing Google Sheets to look for data in a very specific way. Let's break this down a bit more. While G2 denotes the lookup value you're searching for, a $2, $11 represents the range that contains the data you want to retrieve. The dollar signs ensure that this range remains constant if you decide to copy or move the formula elsewhere. Next, X match H2, a $1, E1 helps locate the column index number, dynamically matching the header in H2. The false argument at the end ensures you're performing an exact match. Once your formula is entered, simply hit the Enter key. By doing so, Google Sheets will execute the VLOOKUP function and retrieve the data based on the parameters you've specified. Instantaneously, the cell will populate with the result, as per your lookup. It's quite rewarding to see it work effortlessly. However, if you encounter a @NA error, it often means that no match was found, so be sure to double-check your data and range for any discrepancies. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and used the VLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. It might seem formidable at first, but as you practice, it'll become second nature. Feel free to experiment and adapt this function to meet your specific data needs. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.